is the best ride ever!
Yeah! Look at all the trees! And the birds are so pretty!
Won't last faster!
Quack! Quack adventure!
So many bubbles!
What a wonderful dream. Oh, the moon is so bright tonight. I wonder if my dreams are up there.
Together, together, we're better as one. Dancing and singing, having so much fun. Hearts are beeping, we've all been in this strong.
What a beautiful day! I feel so happy and free. Look at all this green. Yay!
Wow, what an adventure!
I know, this forest is amazing.
Woo! Let's go faster!
Yeah, this is so much fun.
Tweet, tweet, me
Hold
too.
on tight, everyone. Woohoo! This is the best ride ever.
Yeah! Look at all the trees! And the birds are so pretty!
Won't last faster.
Quack! Quack adventure!
Good morning, friends. Time to wake up.
Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful day. Let's go explore. Quack, I'm ready. Ready too. Let's go. 5 more minutes, please.
Good morning, Ruby. Are you ready? Today is Sunday. Let us have fun.
Good morning. Quack. Stretching feels so good in the morning.
Almost done. Looking good, right?
Perfect. Wash your face. Nice and clean. Start the day fresh. So many bubbles.
Breakfast is ready soon, friends. It smells so good.
Good morning, everyone. Eat slowly. Enjoy every bite. This is delicious. Friends, if you enjoy our story, please subscribe to our channel. Press the red button so you never miss Momo and Friends. Thank you so much.
The park is so beautiful today. Look at the flowers and the trees. What a perfect day.
So beautiful. And so sweet.
What a beautiful day for a walk.
Yes, let's go on an adventure.
I smell flowers ahead. Race you to the clearing?
I'm the fastest.
All right, let's go, everyone. Whee! This is so much fun.
Yeah, higher, higher.
Okay, ready to go super high?
Yes, let's do it.
Here we go.
Yay! This is the best.
Yeah, let's go.
Quack! This is so much fun.
Look at the birds up there. The jungle is so beautiful. Look at those birds.
What a beautiful day for a ride! Woohoo! Adventure!
Look at the pretty fields. Oh, that's so fun. This is the best. I can't wait to see more.
Here is the canal, perfect for fishing. Patience is very important when you fish.
Look, the bobber's moving. I got it. Reeling in.
Wow, a fish. It's so colorful.
It's wiggling. Be careful.
There you go, little guy. Wow, you got one.
It's a big one!
Really?
Look at it wiggle!
Gently now.
We did it!
Awesome! Look, everyone, the treehouse.
Wow, it's beautiful! Let's go climb it!
Careful now, one step at a time.
We're right behind you!
Clean hands before dinner, everyone. Good job, friends.
Dinner smells so good, Momo. What are you cooking?
Thank you, everyone. What a perfect day. Let us eat slowly and enjoy together.
Hey, everyone, wake up. Look at the sky.
Po, what's going on?
The moon is so bright tonight.
Wow, the stars are dancing! It's magical! Best night ever! What a wonderful dream. Oh, the moon is so bright tonight. I wonder if my dreams are up there. What a lovely night.
It is. Look at the moon. It feels magical tonight.
Let's make a wish. Good idea.
I wish for more nights like this.
Welcome, friends. See the peaceful pond? The animals live in harmony. Let's join the fun. Feel the peace together. What a beautiful day. Patient. Leo was very patient while fishing. Can you say patient? Delicious.
Delicio. Delicious.
Delicious means very, very tasty.
The bamboo porridge was delicious. Can you say delicious?
Together, together, we're better as one. Dancing and singing, having so much fun. Hearts are beeping, we've all attained this strong.
Hi, everyone. Ready for the quiz? Unscramble the letters to find the word.
Type your guess in the comments.
Let's see the answer.
The word is delicious!
Thank you for watching our story today. We had so much fun. Please subscribe to our channel and come back next Sunday.
Momo and friends will be waiting. Goodbye, dear friends.
See you next time. Thank you for watching our story today. We had so much fun. Please subscribe to our channel and come back next Sunday.
Momo and friends will be waiting. Goodbye, dear friends.
See you next time.
Together, together.